How to close your Acorns account and withdraw your savings. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply sell all of your investments. For that, simply open your Acorn application just like this, and then from there you can tap on the investing option right here, and after doing that, simply tap on the withdrawal option, right? And after doing that, you can transfer your entire balance to your linked bank account. So after doing that, simply tap on your profile icon that you'll be able to see once you get to your home page. Simply tap on that one, or you can simply tap on the settings icon on the top right corner, and then simply tap on manage subscriptions, cancel all of your paid membership plan. After doing that, again get to your settings right here, then simply tap on my account. Then from there you'll be able to find the option of account closure, right? So simply tap on that close account and then tap on confirm in order to close all of your Acorns account and withdraw your savings. So that is exactly how you'll be able to do it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.